You want another water or something, Eric? Or
nope, I'm good.
You're good? All right. Thanks for taking care of that stuff.
Yeah, we're getting it done little by little.
Well, yeah, there's a lot to do. That's why. At least stuff, we got some frost and some things are dying more.
Yeah.
I wanted to try and still shoot those vines around the bottom of that hole, even though it's cold. I know they'll die, but
no, I want them dead. Like,
I want them ground clear. Yeah. But
Spencer, let's wrap it up.
then I had to stand tooth issue again, and then it rained.
It looks like you're doing
Sorry, it's stuck in reverse. The reversing switch doesn't work.
What's wrong with your eye?
I have a sty.
Oh,
It was like that last
yeah.
night, didn't you see it?
No.
I don't know what to do with it.
Well, it's making buzzing
I don't know
sounds.
that there's anything you can do unless you have to go to a... It's usually a virus of some sort, so a lot of times it's got to take its course.
Mm-hmm.
But if it gets too annoying, then I don't know if you can get eye drops or you have to go to an eye doctor.
Here's high.
They say, I even looked it up, you can put hot coffee.
It's a little wobbly.
Yeah,
That's what I've been doing. This morning.
yeah. I guess the more you do it, the more it'll draw it out.
Like a pimple.
Yeah.
I don't know if it'll get a head on it to pop or what.
I don't know. I don't think so. And you can't pop it like a pimple. It's got it draw on its own. You can't.
Yeah.
You don't
You
mess
can't
with
just
it.
squeeze the hell out of it.
Oh no. No.
I don't think